tum na tum bergazi ambor nyim to heaven. Kaman how? Wula kenya vinya adanka ye tum la 247. Kaman
Abu onongo programs o mana Abdul Kudus Muhammad njia maletrana. Yumpa ya kabu onongo kumiro tongna ko bohano bolu na pakya man fasa. Zan chambie kale kabu onongo la kumiro tongna ko bohano bon la halu tongna ngoma ya Ghana ndra jikato kuhurma badila Ghana den che kabu onongo ma kum kato kuhurma. Kayen zan te kayala tsaya yete yulam bonde Abdul Kudus Muhammad en zan la tuka announce mami den chansha ma the name Kudus man na trendra so on sapo invite nirba to study the party. So from today onwards I'm not Abdul Basit Kulchire, my name is Abdul Kudus Muhammad. So ladies ma so this is Abdul Kudus Muhammad sitting here, and you Abdul Kudus Muhammad. So he said ma into ko akupie Facebook me ba Antonia ma yeah, trenda non one day is Qatar maris amina to tilfi ajoba tilanzan chongo kayar yedil lapselena and you Abdul Basit Kulchire ya dia non konko nyanya yira mani amba na girls especially Tamal girls be kukal kaule she is one has single person be post Kurus
ai cara kaula ka fojia la
un girlfriend post Kudus
ai kanyumbu poso kajia abo poso anyelus
un post wula un post one lemana yo post ka use
doko yubum boar fried rice
kata mwamba
doko yubum boar iPhone
shake kata mwamba
doko yubum boar new bike doko yubum boar new
shake
shirt
kata mwamba
shake kata moya
kamya na tunu no aje nurba to chamya it's a sad day for Ghana and Black Stars Hassan and Banyinga, and that's game someone must win football in yeshel mba kabadia be ka diso and me come na to zan take a ye nyunye Ghanaian ka will match ma na wono boko le dia so kale bo nan yele ne Kaman asa tenjia ngo Black Stars muna will keep supporting whether you like it or not. Boile nenye shambala kabadia be ka adi. So take me a little cool kaba na kama ye then ye tournament and now you cheating ya via tete ka ngoma ko nyele now you could subshare zale the number the kai sabo. So ten chang straight so can me what happened. We don't need to talk much. So ten chang te so halatin sanang ban shapu ne after till lose ma trawini aka do social media tin ya nerba reactions towards the Uruguay match man tin da nye nasara South Korea. So now we'll go back to social media and see what is happening about Black Stars lost against Uruguay. Team still with the nye yeto a chain the zane aye ne yeto a be post be ben shi annan ya after boil ma kacham la ya longoma abe wilma pa Otto Addo resigned as the head coach of the Black Stars following their loss to Uruguay in the FIFA World Cup 2022 Qatar. When your head coach the Black Stars after match mama is breaking news kar beshel follow come no United resign here and check home in Black Stars here in Zelta following Bumbato make it to next stage ma he'll go back to Dortmund and then now the under pum yet to Ashele. And I don't know, I believe this decision ma o chairman or chairman no women now soon nire nan ka Black Star be di la ko en because over here so ben ma no kun na ka was no interview on 2-3 ways then you know when.
And are you living this role?
Yes, I said it before. When I started as an assistant coach it was in October last year. It was clear actually that I will stop after the World Cup. At the moment, me and my family see a future in Germany, and I like my role in Dortmund, and we're very, very happy there. So on the first day we said that I will, if we qualify to the World Cup, then I will resign after that. We would have not if we would have been world champions. So this is a decision for the family. Would take too long to go into details, but this is my decision.
So it was a shock to everybody, and I even believe national team Mazha the shock by me, and that is his decision. I don't know whether on reverse celebrate or could reverse celebrate for Atuado is too early. He didn't even respect my son of respect to Ghanaians. Yes, he doesn't respect our feelings. Then despite you are leading them, so you mean despite you are a Ghanaian, you can't be with us in suffering. You only be with us in maybe the Nyasam Barama. I'm not impressed about the yellow shall resign on the early stage internal shama when you can't man the chante. So T Kachang because we come with an episode and idea to Akogati. Yes. T Yenman Kachang. Ghana is the first country in World Cup history to miss 2 penalties against same nation. Ghana is the first country Junior World Cup na pchele. Kabagba penalty swang na mendi Uruguay. Example, Karamise Kaptilang Basong Karamise Karlenia the same nation ma Karamise. The Nigerian penalties miss Rabetka being me Barca champ penalties ma then ya bet when you first Karkushia ya la nation share in Bambia ma dimya ka win ba Ghana nye first ban repeat the be Kanye the same people Brian ne de fishang ba ma la sang ba na kalo ko kwang ba ka gun te ge na ka lang ba sa ka ulang kwang ba la no ka yarma. So just for a record, when I analyze the Ghana new first, can repeat it in FIFA World Cup, got a miss penalty against the same nation. Cartonia the same time on bumpers or Catija, to me Uruguay, Funakara Kana, and FIFA nomination Shamber, Catubami Master Dene, the book ba ama akubora jinno kaula ayene kundanangwa ban shi annan ya ka fayo Ghanaian sura biya te chang ya I got to Ghana mean Uruguay match ma didn't hear the most useless match in FIFA World Cup 2022 the most useless match share den the ko between rembe like dan ka use amire che kar ka use ma nya la match ma ka use to Uruguay ka use to Ghana then check the most useless match ma because ban ya ma da mai so bukata la match ma ba mai Ghana bukata dai ba mai Uruguay bukata to be dia yete den ma nya Ghana lan check Suarez mo yaran biyarta pama ko kwe you know ka tetran gele 4 years back ko lan kwe Ghana ko no wala ka Suarez ya o career funa za o mala yellow card za ngan red card za nga FIFA World Cup fune de me za Ghana to Ghana da to red card ka Ghana lan to yellow card so ka to am jiba kole to egbaje ya tenu karen ya de men to ko qualify ma za the zapte katen de boar shamba ba kula be bet di kun de la ma ku ba viala ba de kun yete men ban kul ma de ba ma to sure ba de nya den da je sham den din ye sham ye ba de be zapte ma banda yete karle yete zo to so we ye each other te ye la taba ka che South Korea ba yeta ka te ya ti changnes Nima boys be Nima community be celebrate Abdul Kudus with in a way of benangla art and drawing upon Nima just know the pride of Nima the baza after South Korea match mark abra miel pato the bami ren non shangwa senior land check aba Nima put nyami ben yale bi na bian tien changne popular footballer eto ka football popular football journalist. This is very sad. Nyala yura ka yulo TV na hale. Zungo kanya kan interview ni karto mi live TV. Ghana eviction man moso. Ko muna ya bua a ko yunda boale be a ko ngum boale ya ka ya commentator be journalist. He's one of the biggest worldwide, but I commentating on the 2010 World Cup, man. Zungoka in your call on live TV. Can you like Ghana Bendi Ghana man? On Zungo so tele. Check out in your video, Kalam. Said Kobina Yabua panel discussion then about eviction man. To control or emotions. Can hear and share the tears. Angry Ghanaians. Oh, you know what I mean? Yes, a pump, especially. Come on, I was with be Zanguano for I didn't ask a pump. Well, smoke on bound of Ghana, the Mashi Rasta. Domia, Swim with Tare Zanlo Rasta the first match, man. Cabaditi. A place, man, Rasta Tite, Cabamama. Butare that but you know I will gonna match my restaurant bro I could be a young cat me South Korea and diva to cushion young cat will even a bro ya you say now the one ko papa man and be fast garaka here kabajiti angry Ghanaians blame fans Gadam for Ghana Black Stars defeat. But this one is just for fun, like the Korea Day and that type of entertainment. Now, yasam. Never blame her, and the fans got on the bay park one man. Then check out with Zigana Maya. Now, so Yama, believe measure, yeah, now there are caramba soon. There come number soon. Yeah, Bronda, Pacman, Trakunya, Kajibola. Smoke from ya champo I could be at my train to Kaya is chowny man. Bravo car and Jia Jia chow on her bago bar. Kaya chow until Vagana and Bajino Lura, Nick Kulma. I don't know. Okay, enough of entertainment, yes, for comic reasons, don't take me wrong. And this is another one we are moving on. Nanado post from 2014 kabachanta caption le la poste Nana Akufo-Addo post kabachanta gbale from 2014 and la poste. This is what he said: no water, no electricity, no petrol, no money, no jobs, no mercy, and no World Cup victory. Bro, you don't know how it takes to be a president. And can then take a year, sharp taker like games ma politically, because I had one fool, don't cop so. Singa for more than base was on a cabadita. Kokuba so Ghanaian so kai yago no Carayina. No the Pumba so now in Ghana. Mumba so now in Ghana qualify to next stage. Carayena NPP and you Banazo. What a foolish person. What a foolish person. Mamma born over a phone winner, then your NPP and German. Kunyo Zazo, you know my shop. Then Sanka Yerma. 10 years, chairman, by now, Kakaku. The word tab and shout. Up to date, can you not fool around with politics? What sort of stupidity is that? So this is a similar thing that was chanted by Mposte Nanado Nara back at 2014. Ghana Nara Brazil. Kasobaza posted, Eto Canado posted and criticized John Mahama for certain things. Scattered non Karmala like because of his regime. Didn't take a 7-year World Cup victory. But the same stage Kabayetama. So politicians it left onto you. It's a very time for such things. Okay. Finally, as Samoajan name will rest, the day takes over. Finally, as Samoajan name will rest, the day takes over. So go post them better. And if Daniel as Samoajan, and if Pumpon as Samoajan by Panchante be table or the fiale, a Pumpon they die with Jamo Cove. La Turma no because on the Akuche Basse Shelma, the no coach Janate Shea Ganama. Enough Drake explanation, you understand what I mean. Okay, Bongo ideas. He always tries to be controversial on social media. He said the Avenger and the Avenger and the Avengee are all out. This is what we're saying. I had a short video on TikTok. Abdul Basir Kuchire message to Ghanaians nyame so come here not ten chan with the bohabiara to mean Uruguay my match. A chair cat my nyame 10 chan with the winner for Mother Ghana. A Kenya been from Poha, I be Magama, 10 yellow beam manga. 10 chan to win for Mother Ghana to be in bohabiara because fouls bianca, red cards bianca, penalties bianca. Team mean about over the 10 ben shot stop it, Catran laps after Ghana national team younger. Check out my mind that we are going to win for Mother Ghana. Peace out. That was what I said. Nda yell me, say yell me mbala. Ye like 3D check at so be revenge over. Ti be revenge like tetukula to perform. Come out the penalty ma. Kaso ya. The day you he's like also yell zo. Also yell the zo. No like eager. Ola mean them over. Didn't check out the to dilema. Ka you even da yell to asha like I mean in yai. Like Bazaz Harlan and Suarez. Everybody was focused and your goals mazha like I could take a move Bazai like Bazai damage on Sunday. I think ya been worrying in counted. So I know Ben Shaw like I love mean of Shai like Abaton you have to be in a like low like normal level. About I be a normal level to achieve okay, we move on to Ghanaian girls betray Kudus in the Punyale. Dinda Kunyo Kurus King Maro Damle Yayama. As one was over posted, but I go on the Tobia cover, but I'm party Yayanama. We are when you my sham to be checky yellow most at the program. Okay, the Tiongo, the Ratabeta, Uncle Zano Katea. Swama basta ta'an Abdul Kudus Mohammed Zumo de Lamna Manyabe Basi Kuchrea Kudus man Yante the Yante in Black Stars but I can't believe the guys they did really good. They did a marvelous job and ye didn't ye game someone must win. So don't go Kanashambala and Tolantam now in Yala. Canada, we move. That's just World Cup. That's sports. Just the name. People, the year at the early stages, even up to this, looking at their countries, their football distance, is still better than Ghana Football Association. It's still better than Ghana. So if Ghana is going to progress, be Kaman afana share. Now I'm being checked out swell conquer football. We'll still seek through greener pastures and different foes. Abdul Basit Kwechire is my name. Yusuf Abuturzon producer. Siba Hadin ye cameraman. Tend the plan to will my and if you are new to this channel, and to not subscribe, got the bill got our comments bazaar. Non delle maraba nete karande lettera Kaman how programs o peace out
tum ne tum bergazi ambor nyemte heavy Kaman how wala kenya venya adanka yetum la 247 Kaman